Hello everyone. First off, I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land on which we are all on at this moment and pay my respects to their elders past, present and emerging. I would also like to extend that respect to the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples here today watching this video. I am Brianna and I am a part of the Caribou Building and Construction Program team. The program is designed and delivered by Tagai Management Consultants. Today's discussion will focus on the overview of the Caribou Building and Construction Program. I'll be having a yarn with my dad, who is Managing Director of Tagai Management Consultants. I'll let him introduce himself. Dad, how are you doing today?
I'm really good, Brenna, and I'm glad you didn't call me by my first name, otherwise we'd have issues. Hey, brothers and sisters, how are you all doing today? Also, I want to pay respects and acknowledge and pay respects to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander elders past, present and emerging, and also those traditional custodians on the lands that we all are connecting in from. I want to extend that respect to all of you, wherever you are within our ecosystem, and also hope you and your families are safe and well. My name is Murray Saylor. I'm the founder and managing director of Tagai Management Consultants, and we're basically focused on procurement supply chain, business advisory, stakeholder engagement, innovative future across Australia and the Asia Pacific region. And we have developed and designed, with the support of Construction Skills Queensland, the Caribou Building and Construction Program, which is a culturally appropriate program that is actually going to be delivered and is focused on established Queensland, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander building and construction businesses in Far North Queensland and North Queensland regions.
Thank you, Dad. I'm really glad to be a part of this program. It's definitely needed from what I can hear, especially around the Far North Queensland, North Queensland region with all the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander business and construction industry. So yeah, I'm glad to be a part of it. Thank you. But what type of content or workshops should the participants expect from the program?
Basically, Brenna, and for all brothers and sisters that are calling in today and watching today, what the program is going to be a mixture of ways that we're going to be delivering the program. Primarily, we're going to be creating a Facebook, so it's approved applicant owners owned Facebook group, where the participants will be actually operating from. And from that platform, we'll be delivering and providing and presenting information, tips, tools, virtual sessions like this one, like an interview like this and other panels that will be actually part of the program. And also we'll be delivering face-to-face, depending on COVID, everyone, as you all know. We'll be delivering face-to-face workshops out in the regions across Far North Queensland and North Queensland in some key regional areas. That information will be coming to hand in the near future. What we're also going to be doing is there's going to be some business mentoring support for those participants that are approved and are part of the program in relation to being really, really punchy. Remember that this program, brothers and sisters, is about looking at your viability and also your growth. We're not here to create the answers. What we're going to be doing is literally providing you with information and business support information to connect you into a wider ecosystem to provide you with information from finance, legal, safety, accreditation systems. And sometimes an area that we sometimes forget is around social and emotional well-being. Us as entrepreneurs, us as community members, us as fathers, us as mothers who are actually out there, it's also that balancing act. How do we manage our business? How do we keep it viable? How do we grow this business? But how do we manage that and balance that with our cultural responsibilities and our family and our personal responsibilities as well? But finally, the other piece is it's a program for those businesses that come on the program. This is not about feeding information down your throat. This is also information for you in an ecosystem and an environment and a community for you to be able to share your experiences, share what you're doing within your business. You're going to have opportunities to market your business within a wider ecosystem. And through our platforms and what we're going to be sharing through our social media platforms, it's going to be a window for you, a window into your business, but also a window into the marketplace. Finally, the other pieces that are going to be part of it, Brianna, and also to everyone that is watching, is also really, really key, is that we're bringing together an ecosystem. We're connecting the dots. Caribou is a Merriam-Webster word from the Torres Strait meaning ours. It is our program. It is for our mob to basically help build out and strengthen our sector within the building construction space. And what it actually means in regards to that is to ensure that the information that we're all sharing, that we're actually involving within it, is also driven by enablers within the marketplace. And that is the government departments, industry organizations like master builders, actual tier 1 and tier 2 businesses that TUG-I and within the ecosystem have actually jumped on to basically create a community of practice, to share their knowledge, how to connect within their supply chain, but also to connect with you as businesses as well. And finally, in regards to that stakeholder, that community of practice that we're creating within Carebar, is also ensuring that everyone out here in silos, they've been creating a lot of information. It's been really wonderful, but this is a way within the Carebar Building and Construction Program to be able to come together, to make the program ours, to make the industry stronger, and it is ours. So it's about building stronger together. It's about building those foundations, strengthening those foundations, but making sure that together, you're not just alone. There's also a network out here. And those are the final opportunities that you'll have, is to be able to network virtually, and hopefully we'll be able to get some face-to-face networking events between buyers, through businesses, the whole ecosystem. But it's, once again, it's specific around established Queensland, Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander building and construction businesses.
Thank you, Dad. Well, hopefully COVID doesn't ruin any of the face-to-face workshops. I'd love to see everybody's faces. I'd love to see everybody participate, so fingers crossed. Well, do you have any closing comments that you'd like to share with us before we finish up?
Probably the key things, as I shared there in those couple of points, is the program is, as much as possible, going to be delivered basically face-to-face and also virtually the virtual environment, Facebook and other areas. Obviously not everyone is on Facebook, so we've also got other distribution methods around that. The other piece in regards to it, what we're trying to do is create impact because the industry is calling for it. There's some major projects happening in Queensland and within that far north and North Queensland region, and this information is yours. This program is yours as well. So we're going to be evolving this program's ideas are welcome. But once again, this is only a starting point. And together, the Carebar Building Construction Program team, working alongside with you and interfacing in true respect, in true transparency, in real information in real time, I know we can all make it a success.
Oh, thank you so much, Dad. That about wraps it up. If you are an established Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander business and operating in the Far North Queensland and North Queensland regions, contact us or apply to be part of the program. Also, if you're a buyer, government department or industry supplier who would like to support the program, we encourage you to contact us as well. If you would like to support the program on any other social media platforms, the links will be in this video. I would like to finish the way that we started. I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land on which we are all on at this moment and pay my respects to their elders past, present and emerging. I would also like to extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples that are here today watching this video. We all hope that all the participants enjoy the Carebar Building and Construction Program. Have a nice day.